I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So from any screen, you've got nav over here on the right hand side. Click nav. Right, I'll just wait for that to go off. So there's a menu at the bottom. The menu's gone off now. As you put your hand towards it, the menu comes up. We want new destination. You've got country there, United Kingdom, city. Gosh, last one, Welwyn Garden City. So we'll click on that, and there's all this space down in the bottom. This PTCD. That's what we want to click on. That's postcode. You'd think they'd be able to put postcode in, wouldn't you? But no. So we want the ABC. That was on 123, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR. Now we want 123s, PR5, 4. All right, we might need a space there. So we need a space, so we'll put a space, 4. We need to go back to numbers, ABC, J, where's S gone? PR5, 4JS. And I have to say that is more complicated than it needs to be, but
the routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
A guy's voice. Right, so select a route, we'll go for the blue one. That's it, that's how you do it.
Please turn right after 100 yards and turn right again immediately onto the A675.
Thanks for watching.